Which color do we choose first? Purple. I will make a purple ice cream. Put the Play-Doh into the mold, above and below. Okay, let's open it. Wow! It's a really nice ice cream! Which color comes next? Ooh, yellow color! I'm going to roll out the Play-Doh, then make a starfish. This is the starfish mold. Press it. Okay. Then take out the Play-Doh. Oh, here's the starfish. I'll add its eyes and the mouth for him. Ta-da! It's a lovely starfish. Starfish. Which color is next? It's orange. And let's see, what do we have now? I roll it out thinly. And what is it? Okay, this is the fish mold. Press it. Okay, let's add eyes and mouth. Then we have a clownfish. Done! What a lovely fish, right? Clownfish. This time, I will choose green to make a sea turtle. I'll roll it out. Here is the sea turtle mold. Let's press it. Let's add eyes and mouth to the turtle.